Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter-3, Illustration-6. Anthony and Akbar were partners who share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018 was Anthony 60,000 rupees and Akbar 40,000 rupees. On 1st April 2018, Anthony introduced additional capital of 10,000 rupees. Akbar introduced additional capital of 5,000 rupees during the year. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. So what they given here? They have given Anthony's capital and Akbar's capital. Anthony's capital is 60,000 rupees. Akbar capital is 40,000 rupees. Okay. And then the additional capital introduced 1st April 2018. Anthony introduced additional capital 10,000 rupees. Akbar introduced additional capital 5,000 rupees. Okay. Then the rate of interest is 6% per annum is given here. What we have to do? We are going to calculate interest on capital at the end of the year ending 31st December 2018. This period we are going to find out the calculate the interest on capital for Anthony and Akbar. So let's prepare the interest on capital. So for that we have to write the heading, that is calculation of the interest on capital. Okay. First take interest on capital for Anthony's. So Anthony's, what is the format for interest on capital? Amount of capital into rate of interest into period interest of the period. Okay. So first take opening capital. Opening capital for 1 year. That means 60,000 for Anthony's capital. Okay, 60,000 at the rate of interest is 6%, means 6 by 100. First we have to find out opening capital. Then we are going to find out additional capital. Okay, are you clear? First we are going to find out opening capital for 1st January to 31st December, the whole 1 year. Okay, so 60,000 amount of capital into 6% the rate of interest, 6 by 100. Okay, so we have to cancel this 20 is to be cancelled, this 20 remaining 6 into 600, 6 6 are 36, this 20 is to be here. Then we are going to find out the additional capital. So Anthony's additional capital is on 1st April 2018 Anthony introduced additional capital 10,000 rupees. So we have to calculate the period. Okay, so listen, the additional capital for 9 months. So the additional amount of additional capital is 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 6%, means 6 by 100. And period of interest means 9 by 12. How will you it comes? Listen, on 1st April 2018, 1st April means you have to take this whole April month. If they given 31st April, you did not consider that 31st, that April month. If you given here, if they given here 1st April, you have to take that April month fully. Okay, so April month fully, you have to take that April month fully from April to December, 31st December. Okay, so April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, how many months? 9 months. So 9 by 12 out of 12. Okay, so now we are going to cancel it. Now we are going to cancel it. Okay, 1666, 26 are 12. This 20 is to be cancelled here. Remaining 100 into 9. How much? 900 rupees. This 2 is divided here. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1. Okay, 5 2s are 10. This 0 is to be here. So 450 rupees. So Anthony's additional capital for 9 months is 450 rupees. Now the total interest on capital for Anthony is 3,600 plus 450, 4,050 rupees. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital for Akbar's. So Akbar's capital, how much Akbar's capital? 40,000 rupees. Akbar introduced capital into the business. Okay, so 40,000 rupees into 6, that whole year you have to take for 1 year. Akbar introduced capital on 1st January 2018. So 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018 means 1 year. Okay, so for 40,000 rupees into 6 by 100 you have to cancel it. This 20 is to be cancelled here. Remain 400 into 6. 6 4s are 24. This 20 is to be here. Okay, then on additional capital for, then Akbar introduced additional capital 5,000 rupees during the year. They have given during the year. If they given during the year, you have to take the average period. Listen, since the date of additional capital introduced by Akbar is not given, they just given during the year. The date of the additional capital didn't given for Akbar. So interest on additional capital is to be calculated for an average period for 6 months. So interest on capital we have to take for 6 months, 6 by 12. Okay. Now we are going to calculate Akbar's additional capital. Okay, 1666, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. This 20 is to be cancelled here. Remaining 3 into 50. So 5 3s are 15. This 0 is to be added here. How much rupees? 150 rupees additional capital for Akbar. So Akbar's additional capital is for 6 months 150 rupees. Now we are going to find out the total interest on capital, that is 2,400 plus 150 you will get. Total interest on capital is 2,550 rupees. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care.